In this tutorial, I'll show you how drafts work in Confluence. By the end of this video, you'll know how to keep your work saved without publishing it and where to find your drafts later. Start by creating a new page or opening an existing page in edit mode. As soon as you begin typing, Confluence automatically saves your progress in the background. There's no separate Save as Draft button because drafts are created automatically. If you're not ready to publish the page, simply leave the editor by closing the tab, navigating to another page, or exiting Confluence. As long as you don't click Publish or Update, your changes remain saved as a private draft and won't be visible to other users. When you're ready to continue working, go to the home page in Confluence and open the Drafts section from the sidebar. There you'll find all of your unpublished pages. Open the draft, continue editing, and Confluence will keep saving your changes automatically. Once your page is complete, click Publish to make it available to everyone with access to the space. And that's how drafts work in Confluence. Thanks for watching.